I want to share a message with you guys today, something that it's really where the rubber meets the road for each one of us. Now, you know that when you put your faith and trust in Jesus, right? You go from being guilty of all sorts of mistakes. We all make mistakes. You make mistakes. I obviously make mistakes, you know? And it's like, we all make mistakes. But when you put your faith and trust in Jesus, you go from being responsible or guilty for all of those mistakes. And by believing in Jesus, he changes your position from guilty to not guilty. The Bible calls that being justified. You stand before the judge guilty, and then when you put your faith and trust in Jesus, Jesus paid all that debt, and a position changes from guilty to not guilty, right? Now, when justification happens, now another process begins, and the Bible calls that the process of sanctification. The process of sanctification is our change of experience given the fact that you were guilty and now you're not guilty. Over time, your experience changes. In a lot of ways, one of the reasons I'm in town this weekend is I had a cousin who got married, right? And when a man and a woman stands before God and says, I do, and commits their life to one another, they become one flesh positionally, but then you spend the rest of your life learning how to experience being one flesh. And all of us know, if you've ever been married, or you know anyone who's been married, that that process takes some time, right? It's not like all of a sudden you get married and you're one flesh in the eyes of God and everything fits perfectly. Yeah, right. Never works that way, right? There's all these experiences that you're going to have, and you learn over time how to become one flesh. So you have justification is the change of position. Sanctification is the experience of that new position. Now, if you're here today and you've put your faith and trust in Jesus, you've been justified. You have a new position. But every single day, in the details of your life and my life, Jesus is giving us fresh experiences to change us little by little into the likeness of himself. We're growing, all of us. We like to say at Crossroads that we're all in process. We're not what we used to be. We're not what we're going to be. But Lord willing, what? We're moving in the right direction.